Hello everyone. So today we're going to be installing BarterDEX on Mac OS, and it's actually fairly simple. If you go to KomodoPlatform.com, you go to the Decentralized Exchange tab, and you click that link and it will take you here. Now from the GitHub page, we'll download the OS X version of the BarterDEX. Once that is downloaded, we can extract it, and we should be able to just double click the app and run BarterDEX. It's really not that complicated anymore. Before you might have had to install it by hand. Now you can just double click it and it'll run. Okay, so once it's finished, you can open Finder, and here we would extract it with the utility tool. And once you're here, you can see that the BarterDEX app is there. And what I do is that I just move it over to the desktop, just so it's a little bit easier to access. And you can double click the BarterDEX app. And once you're logged in, you can begin the process of generating a new passphrase or using your previous seed. I've created a different guide that has more detail on the basic functions of the BarterDEX. You can watch that as well in order to get started. If you have any questions or you need technical support, go to support.komodoplatform.com and drop us a ticket. Have a great day, guys.